Hey guys, and welcome to some destroyer action. And this time I'm actually back in my probably favorite ship, or at least second favorite ship, the Russian destroyer, which I've had for ages and played a ton of games in, and I have like 120 experience on it, but I can't, well, sell it. I guess I can, but I don't want to because I'm having too much fun in it. So, yep, here it is. Let's see on the map here where destroyers normally go over here to, well, kill each other and get torpedoed. Staying a little bit back here to be the first guy over there. Enemy destroyers are coming, so I'm taking some shots here. This guy, a little bit short, and some kills. Someone's shooting at me. Got his like that. Oop, another one coming. Oop, incoming shots from that cruiser down there. His one disappears. Nah. Oh well. And there's another one. Plenty of targets. Not friendly up there, has some issues. Yeah, okay. The best. Hit him. Again, took out water. So unless he repairs, he's dead in water, and yeah, torpedoes there. He repaired, so let's see if we can disable him again. And he's popping smoke, that little chicken. One guy disappears and one lines up. Yeah, why not? So I'll launch some torpedoes. He's out of range at the moment, but he is coming this way. That was a good hit. He also popped smoke. Everyone is popping smoke these days. Don't they know that smoking causes cancer? But anyways, we are down 2 destroyers. There he is. I actually hit him. Yay! Lucky shot. Yeah, we're down 2 destroyers. They're up 150 points or so. I think that this guy has the huts for battleship. Incoming fire. Set him on fire. Come on. A little bit better. So we can take him out before he takes out the battleship. That would be nice. Yeah. So lucky. Long and short at the same time. Excellent, comes out. Come on, take him out. Yeah, there we go. That was the first kill. And again, next target pops up just as no one dies. He managed to get off some torpedoes. Oh well, battleship is an okay position to avoid those. Too long. Come on, take out the Clemson. It's kind of not what you want to be doing in a Clemson. He's sailing after the battleship, he has a destroyer shooting at him. It's never going to end well. So, yeah. I did hit him there at the end, but didn't get the kill. Someone ninja'd that. God damn it. Well, he's dead. And the scores are not even, but we have pulled it back a bit. I'm still on full health, so could be worse. Let's see. Cruiser this way. Still some smoke. Might still be a destroyer up here. I think there were 3 earlier on, so there might be one more. Oh well. Yeah, it is a tier 4 game. I think everyone is tier 4, or nearly. So, yep. And there's whoops, actually. There he is. That is the one. Oh well. Scratched the paint. He's within torpedo range easily, so spreading out some torpedoes just because we can. And that's not bad. Oh, that was bad. 3 kilometers and I couldn't hit shit. Well, okay. That was better. So, it's not shooting at me, which is weird. That torpedo there? Did you? Well, he did shoot at me there in the end. Not sure what else he was doing. Ooh, he's dead in the water. And he's on low health. Normally you don't want to be attacking cruisers and the destroyer, but on this low health and there's a battleship, why not? And I don't think, not sure why, but I don't have the ability that says if I'm detected or not. I think when I retained my capture or something, I didn't pick the skill right away. I do have it now because, well, I mean, I use my guns a lot, so I should just assume that I'm spotted, but every now and then you run into those pesky little Japanese destroyers and they will detect you before you detect them, so for that reason I do have that skill, because it's nice to know when you've been detected and you're about to run into trouble. And speaking of trouble, I'm running away from it here, because, yeah, that guy is shooting at me. Come on, stop shooting me. Oh. Oh well, we'll repair that. My steering. So, yeah. I have 2 kills. So that's okay. But I didn't want to get into a shooting match with a guy. Well, now I don't mind. Since he's far away and islands between us. Ooh, that was a good hit. And set him on fire. Excellent. Oh well. Hit him again. Not sure how much, but who cares. So let's go up here. And I have seen that battleship there. Shooting at him now. Not sure why he's coming this way. I mean, in between islands? A destroyer? Yeah. Can anyone guess what is going to happen? No? No guesses? Okay, well. Then I won't spoil the surprise. Oh well. Sailing here. And in case people don't know, the range on the torpedoes here are 5 kilometers. So he's almost within range. And again, I'm not sure if he has detected me yet. Technically there's still some island between us, but yeah, who knows. But let's launch some torpedoes. Took a little hit there, but nothing to worry about. Just the paint and maybe some rust. Slowing down. Let's see. Yeah, that's not looking too bad. The problem is they only do about 3,000 damage each, and he does have 20, so we do need a couple of hits here. 3, 4. Yep, that'll do. So that was kill number 3. Not bad. Someone is saying nice top work. I'm not sure if that's me or someone else, but if it was intended to say thank you to me, well, nice work to me, then, well, thank you for noticing. And let's see. Choices here. 2 battleships, incoming planes. I am detected by them within range, so AA on. Not that I think I'll be able to shoot anything down, but well, doesn't hurt, does it? So let's shoot at this guy. He's almost on full health, so that's not good. Oops. Could there be incoming torpedoes? Nah, I think I'm going for someone else. Still, it's never nice. Speaking of torpedoes, those are friendly. So I kind of had to take a different approach here. This guy is close shooting, so yeah. He has detected me. Same as everyone else, really. So, best thing I can do here is basically just straight towards him and burning my... Oops, there are some torpedoes there. To miss. Not by much, but that was cool. So, yeah, straight towards him, and he's also coming this way. Because of the island, he can continue his turn because he will run aground. So, narrow spread. And at this range, difficult to miss. So, I have faith in my torpedo skills, and I'm switching targets here. These guys are low health, so maybe I can move it here. This is on fire. Oops, 4 torpedo hits, and that guy sank. That was the battleship. Got a devastating strike, so that's nice. And this guy is on low health. Finish him. Yep. So that was kill number 5, and the Kraken. So, yeah. Good game. Well, they have 2 ships left. Can we ninja this one? No. I'm not sure who got that kill, but I think he burned to death. So, yeah. Well, there's a destroyer left. He's all the way down there, behind an island. And I think he's going to go out swinging. And that's swinging at the carrier. I could stay here and cap. What's the fun in that? If there's another kill to be had. Not that I really thought I would be able to make it down there in time, but you will never know if you don't try. So, in the cap. So, it is within range, but it is like, what, 11 kilometers, and yeah, that's a difficult shot.
Engine boost
Not
deactivated.
that far off. Oh well. I don't want to be him though. He is coming under fire from basically the whole team. But he's launching more torpedoes. Gotta give it to him. He's not going down easily. He almost ate some torpedoes there. Ooh, close. Come on. Get the kill. Get the kill. Ah, okay. He got deleted. Okay, so let's take a look at the results. 191,000 credits. That's okay. 2,500 experience. That's probably for the first game of the day. Still good though. Got the Kraken, and that was a devastating strike. Confederate. But well, 106 hits with my guns. Nothing spectacular. 9 torpedo hits. That's okay, but I've done better. Let's see, sank those 5 ships, so that's okay. Set 3 fires, flooded 4, yeah, nothing spectacular, but still an okay result. So, the 2 teams. I finished first with 1,666 base experience. That's almost more than the entire enemy team combined. Well, it isn't, but still, close. The rest of my team, well, they did okay. The Kuma, yeah, more than 1,000. That's also good. Worst on the other team, 5. I don't think he did much, really. But well, I didn't really see what the others did, but yeah, I mean, minus those destroyers in the beginning who just went balls out on the battleship without, I think, hitting it. Yeah, that was kind of stupid. But well, those are destroyers. And finally the damage done. So with my guns, tiny bit more than 30,000. The 3 fires, a whopping nearly 2,000. Yeah. But torpedoes, close to 50,000 damage, so yeah, that's respectable, I suppose, when it's in this Russian destroyer that doesn't really have good torpedoes. So, should we call it, what, 80,000 damage total? And call it here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little replay. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.